Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, there we go. We're getting ready to start. Well, I'm getting ready to start working on this. This is a 5.7 Hemi, guys, 2010 model, 2010 model. All right, let me get this cover off of here, and we're gonna take a look at something. All right, guys, as you saw, my open box review procedure where I open the box. I used to see that all the time on YouTube, so I figured I'd do that on this Recall P01, guys. Merely states because of safety reasons, I assume these guides are breaking and causing catastrophic damage, guys. So the Recall instructs me, the technician, to remove the front timing chain cover. Y'all can see I'm gonna have to remove the radiator. I have to gain some access, so this intake and everything has to come off. The cover have to come off. I will go back in with a new guide, a new tensioner, and, ladies and gentlemen, a new chain. I'm sure the O-ring is for sealing purposes, and here goes the new gasket that I'm supposed to seal the cover with, guys. All right, so as far as that catastrophic failure go and the history on this Recall, I guess I can talk about that while I'm disassembling it. Okay, but one thing of note, guys, I think this Recall was 2009 through 2012. Challengers, Chargers, cars like that, the LX body cars. Okay, like I say, man, it's been it's a whole history. And y'all see those new cars? Y'all know what that means, guys? This guy once had a problem, or likely had a problem with stall out. Now, I don't know if y'all familiar with the history of repairs on these vehicles. These are, look at that, guys, that screw missing. Glad I noticed that, because I will have to I got to take the cover off. In fact, guys, it look like the cover has been off. All right, but it doesn't matter. I still have to proceed with the Recall, because now in the file is going to be a piece of document stating that JT responsible for doing P01, and if it hasn't been done, yes, I could get in trouble. So that's not going to happen, because I'm going to do it whether it's been done or not. A lot of customers took matters into their own hand and had their own car repaired. Some just wanted to do it, and some just simply didn't know the Recall exists. That's why I say I spoke about recalls on the last segment. If nothing else, guys, you got to take your car to the dealership to get inspected for anything. Okay, once they get it in, they will run your VIN, guys, and the VIN will tell them everything they need to know about the vehicle. Okay, so guys, I got a lot of work to do. I can't sit here, but like I said, I'll speak on this as I'm doing it, and I'll find somewhere to post up the camera. But I'm not gonna film the easy stuff, and the easy stuff consists of simply removing the fan, the intake, the coolant, draining the coolant, getting the housing off. I think I'll fire the camera up once I get the cover removed. You guys pretty much know how to do all this, and if you don't, you're just starting off, I apologize. I have a lot of basic videos coming up down the pipe, guys. I will be getting total basic. I did find out I have some mechanic enthusiasts on the channel, guys that want to be a mechanic, and I am proud of you guys. If this is what you want to do, go for it. It could be a lucrative career, guys. I'm not gonna say in line. The automotive industry service department have done me well over the years. So guys, let me get to work. I'll see y'all likely when I get the cover apart. So all right, stay tuned. All right, yes, I have to go hunt down a puller. I don't have a puller for this one. It's not your typical 3-jaw puller, okay? It's the Hemi setup. Y'all know how the puller is set up on the Hemi. Well, I don't have one. I have to go get one. Okay, so in fact, let me go. Hold tight, y'all. I gotta go ask my buddy. He over here right now. Surely, out of all these connections, I will be able to remove this harmonic balancer so I can complete this easy job. There's no reason why this car is still in my stall. All right. So I got work to do. Oh, guys, let me tell y'all something. Before I took anything apart, y'all know what I talked about earlier as far as a vehicle scan report. Well, I run a scan report on everything. Well, what was found during the scan report was a couple of fault codes. Misfire in cylinder 5. P0305 and P0300, which stands for multiple cylinder misfire. So what I decided to do was pull. Where's the coil? I took the coil off. My whole point is, guys, I do not want the customer to believe that just because we're doing a recall, that's going to fix this misfire. Somebody's obviously chasing this misfire. Y'all see all these brand new coils. So I was going to run a compression test, but they told me they're going to try to sell some diagnostic time. In other words, we're not going to just start digging into the engine trying to find out why it's a misfire. So, and I don't blame them, okay? But my whole point is the recall, the new timing chain and guide is not going to fix that misfire. And we wanted to make sure the customer understand that. Some people get in the habit, or some people tend to believe you take it to the dealer to get a recall done, all your problems will be solved. No, the same misfire will be there when I'm done, guys. All right, unless they authorize diagnostic time. Okay, so I got me a puller. Let me proceed with getting this pulley out so I can complete this job, guys. All right, stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm in a little jam, guys. I might have to run to the parts store and pick up, not parts store, tool store, Northern, right down the street. They might be the closest one to have what I need. What I'm talking about is the harmonic balancer pulley. Oh my goodness, that is first of all, this is a 2010 model. So the harmonic balancer pulley, each one of my tools, neither one of my tools will work for this. So I'm gonna have to go get a 3-jaw puller that grabs it from the outside. Okay, y'all can see these images right here. The tool I need will have to the puller part. It will have to go the other way and pull on the pulley. Okay, that's the only way I'm gonna get that off, as y'all can see right here. Now, they differ, guys, from year to year on the Hemi engine, okay, because pretty much each one of my tools, I thought I had just about every tool for it, but obviously I didn't, which tells me I haven't pulled one in so long I didn't even know what kind to use. Go figure. All right, so I got 1 or 2 options. I can wait till in the morning when my buddy get here, and I'm sure he got one. He yank Hemis all the time, so I'm gonna borrow his tool. If he don't have one, I will have to run back to Northern Tools to get it. But that's about it, man. I'm so hurt. I wanted this car done and finished today, and so did the customer and the service advisor. All right, but it's not gonna happen. So in no sense crying over spoiled milk. Just kidding. Yeah, guys. We'll wrap it up tomorrow, guys. I gotta find a tool. All right, that's all I have.